Hello, good evening, everyone. How's everybody doing today? It's another live session, voice of chat, right? Feel good. We'll be doing this again, and I hope you guys are doing well. Today's gonna be interesting. As always, we're gonna go over Bitcoin, Ethereum, and some other coins chart, right? As usual, you have the opportunity to ask questions, if any, as we go along in the Q&A session. That is just by the way. My name is CLINTON ONOS to Market Salam. As always, Market Salam is here to help you make sense of your trading and investing. If this is the first time you've seen this channel, friends, you're welcome. Please smash the like button for me, subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification bell to get all important information absolutely free. All right, without wasting much of our time, let's get into it. But before we do, friends, nothing you find in this video is a financial, legal, or tax advice. Please do your own research always. All right, let's see the chart. Share with friends, family, friends. All right, what's there? All right, let's see what's up. What's there? I kind of was looking at the strength of my internet to know what's up, right? Okay, let's review Matic. I told you yesterday Matic was good. That's what I said. I kind of like the way the setup for Matic is currently playing out. Really solid, right? Really interesting to watch. I know at $4 to $5 target it's gonna be met pretty soon, right? Not long. All right, that's that. Of course, I wasn't liking rather I didn't like the way Dot was actually trading as at yesterday, but today is trying to come up. Like I expect this, right? A break of the structure and continue upward, right? Please keep doing this. We need to see green bars, right? Yeah, of course, this daily chart, right? Weekly chart also. See, kind of the week so far has been good. We hope the week closed solidly after many weeks, like a month of down pressure. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's like a month of down pressure. But we hope to see this month really go higher, right? It's expected. Please don't do that for us, right? We will appreciate. Of course, either I talked about it yesterday also. Okay. Told you this is a structure to look out for, right? Of course, this is my expectation of how the price is gonna move, right? So not doing bad. Hope you guys can see this, right? I think okay. Let me verify if you guys can see this. All right, please leave a comment. Leave a comment, or appreciate. Leave a comment. Let me know what's up, right? Let me know what's up. The internet strength, is it good enough? Okay. Trying to switch to ADA for some reason. I think is it my network or what does it call? Trading view is freezing. Don't know what's up. Alright, so yeah, here's it. Don't know what's up. Probably trading view server also. Of course, I was pretty happy when there was a nice reaction at this level, right? Because the obvious down pressure that we experienced in the market a couple of days ago led to this sell-off, right? So the price looks good to continue upward, right? break this channel and keep going upward. So interesting days ahead for us, in my opinion, right? Interesting days ahead for crypto market in general. All right, let's take a look at Bitcoin, right? Yesterday, I also pointed out the fact that Bitcoin reacted nicely from this low, right? Of course, currently trading. I don't expect, normally, I likely see the price come test this region again. That is, if the momentum is not solid. If the momentum is strong, we can just see price going upward, break this structural level to the upside, and continue its upward movement, right? So our target for Bitcoin, 98 to 100k, is still intact. This 52k retracement is already met. We're expecting the level around here. Fortunately, dipped below, right when as far as 42k, that's 10,000 lower than what we are expecting. But yeah, of course, it rejected back solidly. So we expect this level to break upward, right, as soon as possible. All right, is there anything we can see on the shorter term time frame? Because the same scenario, right? This level is really critical to watch to have a confirmed bullish structure switch over, right? You need to watch, you need to see price come here, right? Break it, and that's what we need to look out for at the moment, right? Hopefully in the next couple of days we should see that happening, coupled to the fact that there's currently doing this and this. Divergence, can't see any here, right? I really don't. I think we should have nothing here, nothing here as well. So it's all good. That does not mean the price will not go up, right? Because there's a break of this upward move already, right? If you want to look at that, right? It's trending downward, broke. So little not much. There's really not much to say, right? We just need to wait for price to break this level and continue upward. Right, that's that. I hope you understand what I'm saying, guys. Please share with friends, family, neighbors. Subscribe to this channel. I will appreciate. All right, let's quickly look at Ethereum, bro. Ethereum looks more bullish, like I keep saying for some days now, than Bitcoin for me, right? Ethereum has really responded so bullishly, right? Compared to Bitcoin. You see the level of reaction, and it keeps going up, staying above this level that we expected. Hopefully it continues, right? That's all we need, right? Going forward. 7k to 9k projection for Ethereum is still very intact, so there's little or nothing to worry about, right? Really very much intact, right? Is there anything to look out for in the lower time frame? I really don't think so. Right? You guys know what's up, right? You guys know what's up. The structure to look out for also. But whatever it is, I believe Ethereum is, there's already a switchover in the MACD, right? And unlike Bitcoin, there was a divergence. I think that's why Ethereum is looking more bullish, right? Don't know if you guys can see the divergence. MACD saying something different. Price action was saying something different, right? The slight divergence here. Probably more okay. I think it's more obvious in the MACD, right? In relative strength index, right? Because there's really nothing to worry about, right? It's not stuff we should have a ache over, right? All right, friends, so I appreciate if you share this video with your friends and family. There's really not much to share here, so I will expect if you have something different, right? Please let me know what's up. Just send it in the chat box. I'll be glad to have it, and I'll be glad to review it with you and everyone present. It will be an interesting one to note. All right, so that's it. I'll look at what's this? Tezos. Let's look at Tezos. I think I really don't know what's going on. Kind of slow for me. Oh. All right, guys. I don't know what else to do here. What's up? Come on. Stuff just freeze, right? Well, Tezos looking nice. There's a sharp. Looking at the 4 hours time frame, okay. I'm glad it's up, right? Sharp. Okay, if it's refusing to go to the okay, right here. There's a sharp pull up, right? Is there a significant volume that accompany that? Of course, there is, right? There is sharp pull up. Hopefully, Tezos is. I think we've not talked about Tezos, so let's spend some time here, right? It's basically the same thing we've been going over for some time now, right? Or basically, we look at completed cycle, right? Beginning of another one, completed. Beginning of another one, completed. Beginning of another one, probably completed, right? This is basically how Tezos price is currently moving. They're kind of like channeling upward, if I may, right? Yeah, kind of like channeling upward now, expanding in an expanding form, right? This wave. The wave keep expanding each time price is going up, right? So we can safely say it's expanding, right? So if that's true, we should expect, since price already reacted from this level, should expect it to expand upward more, right? And if that's a low, which I'm not certain yet until this candle closes, but the other indicators have proved that this is going to be healthy. Especially we have an equal kind of like equal to bar here. That's not enough for me to make pronouncement, but kind of looking nice, right? So if that confirms, you should see price going upward to around the $10 level, right? That's just assuming price is going to walk, okay, around $10 level. It's going to walk through the path it has been walking, right? And of course, if this signifies the end of the retracement, we should see price reaching out for level, okay, or level looking at, right? Look at 1.68 level, and of course targeting 28. So between 20 to 28, right? The reasonable target going forward, right? If we look at this projection, that is extending the wave and making projection based on that, right? That is a reasonable target to to look at for going forward, right? I want to note it down somewhere who can, in case we have opportunity to come back here, we should be able to see what we're looking at, right? All right. So that's reasonable enough, right? If we go to the weekly time frame, of course, it's a similar thing, almost same thing, right? If we're going to make projection based on the channeling, we should see 10 also, just like 10, 11, just like we earlier projected, right? But there's a possibility it's going to break away from the channeling move and, have a move away from the channel, right? So to say, and permit me to use that, right? Probably stop doing this and form a new channel also, like. That would be nice, but it's good, it's bullish going forward. So something you should look out for. There's a lot of pickup to do here. If you are short terming, there's a lot of pickup. Even if you buy here, there's a lot of pickup to look out for. That's around 80% or thereabout in the short term. And the longer term, guys know what's up, right? The longer term is a lot. It's a lot, really, really. It is around 200 and above, right? Around 421% to pick up here, right? If it goes that way, right? Shorter term target is around 70%, right? That should happen pretty soon, right? Around this level, 85, 80%. That's a nice pickup to watch out for, right? Well, it's so good, and of course, you guys know what's up, right? Price, if the price probably just go here around this level, which happens to be another block, come break test the current, probably some inefficiencies here, imbalances, whatever they call it. Price can go down, but we really don't expect that, right? The project is growing because it's engineering more liquidity to the upside. What I mean is a lot of investors coming in. I think recently they secured a deal that led to giving out some of the Tezos token to the investors, right? I think so, but I can't be accurate at this moment, right? So that's it, friends. I will appreciate if you smash the like button for me. It will help the algorithm, to help others to see this, and it will make this more interesting and fun, right? Because it will give me, to energize me to, to want to share more details with you guys. So hopefully we see this continuing upward, right? So that's that. Let's look at BTT. I think we talked about BTT already. Yeah, we did, right? Yeah, we did. I told you guys that. Oh my God, I told you this is an opportunity to look out for, right? For a target of this and this. I didn't recall. Or yeah, I think I did. This is something you should be looking out for, right? Stuff like this, right? This is psychological level where nobody wants to buy, right? Completed circle, right? Nobody wants to buy. Only the smart guys are currently buying for this move. Of course, you guys know what's up. I don't need to keep telling you this always. When it gets to this level, you guys know the guys that will be buying now, right? Retailers, they'll start buying. Of course, this BitTorrent will be all over the news, right? They'll be hoping BitTorrent is gonna go probably to a $1 or thereabout, a lot of buying pressure from the retailers. Of course, that will lead to the smart guys uploading, right, gradually distributing, right, distributing. Of course, after distributing, they will give you a false hope. That is a false rally, giving you hope that it's gonna, let me just show you here. This will happen, right? I can bet you, friends, that as at when this was going on, everybody was all over Tezos, right? They hope it's gonna go skyrocket, it's gonna go to the moon, just like recently with Ship Inu. They thought it's gonna, keep going without retracement. And in the news, smart money are selling into the news, right? They are selling into the news, right? Each time the news comes up, a lot of, they are selling seriously to retailers. Gradually they distributed and price dropped to this level, right? Of course, they need to give all the retailers who bought at this level hope that the price is going to rally again. This is just a little down move. Of course, you guys know what's up. They rally to this level again. You guys know what happened after that. They sold off, give hope again. You guys know what's up. They sold off. The probably they finish distributing here, and all these are just little guys trying to force price upward, which they could not. And you guys know what's up. Here we are. The guys who sold here, they are currently buying gradually and waiting for probably this is the move, waiting for a move to go break the top and give them some nice target, right? That's the game, right? If you program your mind to thinking this way, you're gonna benefit a lot, right? You just don't go thinking. Of course, it's gonna go here, but what if before it comes to this level again, do you have the stamina, the psychological tenacity, or whatever you might call it, to wait for this? You know how many percentage went down there? Let me measure it. For how many percentage went down there? That's about 80% retracement, right? Okay, that simply means if you bought here at $100, right, $80 off your portfolio. That's simply what it means. You are left with you are left with $20, right? That's simply what it means, right? Then at this point, probably when it comes up, he had like maybe $5 to your portfolio. You'll be glad you at least had $5 you distributed here, like you stood up, right? Okay, you lost 75, right? You are okay with 25 if at all. All right, it's interesting to watch this, man. It's really interesting, right? It took me a lot of time to understand this, and when I get hold of it, seriously, if you combine this understanding market structure, the game is all yours to win always, right? Really yours to win. So the smart guys are currently buying at that now. You won't hear BitTorrent all over the news, friends. No. At this level, nobody talks about it, right? The only people that take advantage of this level are the smart money, the smart guys, the institution, guys that know what's up, the guys that knows, man, this is gonna go really high, right? That the guys that talked about it, right? So join them, right? Even if it is small, right? Even if it's small, right? Rather than buying $100 here, if you buy $100 here, when it comes to this level, you'll be over like $250 thereabout, right? I hope I'm right. Yes, you will be now. You'll be around $200 plus. So trying to see if I can turn it over. Okay. But how come I'm coming? Let me. I thought that was okay. That's 80%. How come the going down the retracement is kind of low in percentage? Then when you turn over, it's bigger. Why is it like that? I'll have to investigate later, right? It's interesting. I have to investigate later. I don't know why it is, but I'll have to find out. All right, that's around 248%. That simply means $100 here. According to this, it's gonna give you like $248 in profit, right? That's huge. That's significant, right? It's better than buying here, buy here, right? Nice. All right, guys. If you have any questions, you guys know what's up. Comment. Let me know what's up. Right? I appreciate. I would love to hear from you. Okay. And of course, one one is not doing bad as well. I think we've not looked at one before. Harmony. Have we looked at Harmony? It's still the same thing, right? The cryptocurrency is developing, so upward potential is really high, right? It's developing, it's trying to find, is on a price discovery journey. So we always expect higher prices whenever there's a retracement, right? As opposed to other market classes that or other asset classes that, you know, have established, have developed over time, and have established a reasonable top and bottom. Probably they are within the range, you know. You can expect pull down, you know, pull down, right? But this market is just developing, so we are hoping that it hasn't gotten to the level where if full potential has been actualized. So there's a lot of upward potential for almost all cryptocurrencies. So it should seek higher prices soon, right? Because if I want to count wave here, right? This is basically ABC retracement, no doubt, right? For a push up, retracement of this whole move, right? So, right, 1, 2, 3, A, B, C. Then we should see 1, 2, 3 again for up move, right? For up move, right? As simple as that, right? Of course, if that is the end of that retracement, we should see price reaching out for around the dollar region, then $0.2 region, right? Before another retracement. So, and of course, if I want to look at another level that is taking the first completed circle retracement to project a new level, right? Still around that level, right? If it's around still around the first target. Okay, no, the first target is around the second target. So more or less like taking only this wave, the current wave going up, it has a more price potential, which is really more recent, which is really what we should be looking at, right? Because this retracement is what we are working with, right? Retrace around the below 61.8 level, around this level, almost 70% or thereabout. So we should see a reasonable pull up, right? For one. So one is one should be one and above. That's interesting, guys. One should be one and above, right? Soon should be one and above, right? Right, greater than one. All right, guys, greater than one. Q&A, right? Greater than one. All right, guys, Q&A. If you have any question, please let me know what's up, right? I have about 5 minutes for this, so if you have any question, please let me know what's up. Let me know. In absence of any question, we have to take a look at other. All right, yes. Let's look at inches. It's trying to recover also, right? Expected the recovery to start up here. For some reason, this sell-off pressure was so huge, and the price has to come test this demand level, which is obviously a structural level. If the price break and stay below this, it's gonna be bearish. Thank goodness the price has reacted. Probably the price will just go right, break this. Come on, yeah, go break this and continue upward, right? So that's that. What else can we look at for Bitcoin? Has to keep going up. Yes, we have to keep going up, right? Most of these coins are heavily reactive to Bitcoin price. So Bitcoin is obviously the king. What can I say about Avalanche, right? Despite Avalanche going higher, I'm still 16. Yeah, I'm still 16. Avalanche is no good for me, right? You can go do Avalanche, but this is really not what I like to do. This is a failure swing here, right? A failure swing here, right? Can clearly see a classic pattern. This can be a reversal pattern, can be a continuing pattern, right? Like ABC also for a continuation, but I'm seeing the opposite because I believe the target is met. A lot of profit taking is currently going on here, right? They want to stick lower prices to pick up this stuff, right? So guys, don't know, but that's not a go for me. That's not a pick up for me, right? Not a pick up for me, right? These are levels I've marked out previously, right? This is one of the levels, 70, deep down to 78, right? I believe it's still not low enough. 56. 56 is good, it's considerable. Another one is 34. Okay, let's just be fair enough. Let's say, okay, 56, all right? A lot of buy order will be around um 52 level, right? 56 level. So I still believe this price is going to come down, right? Of course, the price can, this whole stuff you are saying is one wave, right? Might probably deceive us that it's going upward again and give us another 3 wave down to hit this level and do this, right? I believe this retracement is not over, right? For reasons, obvious reasons, right? So whatever, just play safe if you're a believer of this, right? I get a lot of people sometimes just dislike a video when you say something that is not within or that does not align with their opinion without critically looking at the case study and of course be objective. There's nothing to be subjective about this. It's what the price is saying, right? If you have a contrary opinion, please, there are ways you can, let me know, right? Right, introduce a superior argument, and of course, everybody loves superior argument. If you have a superior argument, please put it forward. I will gladly have a look and discuss it together, right? Rather than leaving a dislike for a video or something that does not align with your opinion. I don't think that's nice, right? Of course it's fine. It's fine. It is what it is, right? So also Solana is still not for me, right? So the guys, I'll say it again confidently, start your favor, right? Start my source, right? The source I believe so more. What is Solana? Says Solana is not good for me, right? It can't for you, right? It's Fine. I have 2 minutes here or less than. It can't be for you, but for me, what can I say here? This is classic distribution going on here, right? Okay, if you, this is a break and radius of a trend line. I pointed this out earlier. Okay, this stuff I drew here, I drew it long time ago. I didn't draw it yesterday. I didn't draw it today, right? In one of the sessions I drew this. I told you price. You can see clearly for yourself, right? Come on, let me zoom this, right? You can see clearly. I told you guys that price might likely come there. Do this. The silver that is going up, right? Probably consolidate around this trend line, then push up, push down, so to say. But it didn't do that. It didn't consolidate. It pushed down immediately, right? Okay, let's agree to the fact that, okay, yeah, the recent event attributed to it, but it keeps going down, and it's not giving me a signal that, okay, this is one like the other ones we looked at, right? This is a classic distribution going on here at a reasonable level, right? So I'm expecting, you can see, I'm expecting price to dip as low as 151, right? If it doesn't do that, if it keeps going up, that's really not my concern, right? Not my concern, but you can see I did some analysis telling you nobody expected this one that took place, right? This one that happened, this retracement, nobody expected it, right? Nobody thought it was going to happen. And that when it was here, all retail traders thought it's going to fly to the moon. Of course, you retrace, right? So what makes you think? What makes you think this is not going to retrace? Or this has gone far too far, in my opinion. There should be a significant retracement to attract more investors to inject more funds, right? Investors, if I have large funds, right? If I have large funds, probably I'm managing a fund, right? What would my benefit here, right? If I'm managing a fund and I'm not ready to, I need the discounted price. And what they do is they look for a discounted retracement, right? If I keep this level, discounted retracement here, you will miss you. That's around 90k, 87. This is the level they watch out for. This is the level they look at to rebuy, right? Yeah, this is the level they look at to rebuy. Not this, not here. Why would they want to buy here? If I'm managing a fund, I buy there, right? I buy here, managing a fund, and I bought here, or probably buy here. How much am I going to make, right? It doesn't sound profitable, right? Of course, the people I'm managing funds for, they won't be happy. But if I see the opportunity here, and even if it comes here, I'm up 200%. Is that not smart? That's smart, right? At least I have a price target. I'm saying that it is it's gonna go to, yeah, at the moment the price is discovering, right? Even if it go, I told you the last time, even if it goes, it doesn't matter. I want a retracement, and if it doesn't give me the retracement, that's good, it's fine. I don't control the market, so everything must not work out as I wanted, right? But I have to stick to rules, right? I have to stick to my rules and be good to it at all time. I hope you enjoyed this session. If you do, please smash the like button for me. I will appreciate it a lot. Share with friends and family. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do, right? Please do. That's the most we can take today, right? All right, I hope to see you guys again. If you have any question, comment section below. I always scroll through the comment section to look out for question. Of course, my email, the channel email is also there. You can email us if you have any question. All right, of course, Twitter, can DM us on Twitter. We'll respond as soon